Hello, hello everyone. It's Maddie with Spectrum Art Creations, and I want to share with you what just arrived. This is Serenity by Uniquely Creative. It's their latest collection, and boy, is it pretty. I've already worked with it, so I am going to show you a little bit of that at the end of the video, so stay tuned. But just want to show you what an amazing collection this is. So the 12 by 12 paper contains 16 double-sided pattern papers. So you get two of each, 8 different designs. On the back of this, we always get some freebies, which I love because who doesn't like extra freebies, right? All right, so we have all these great elements that we can cut out. And now I will show you the collection itself. So we've got front and back. Again, we've got two of each. Scooch this over and maybe try to get some of that glare out of your screen. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? A very whimsical line with great, beautiful colors. Perfect for the upcoming spring. Can, of course, be used in so many different ways. You've got lots of possibilities. You're not limited to any one specific feel or theme with this one. Love the watercolor elements. And I know they're getting a little washed out on camera. And then you have like faint little text here and there. Super pretty. Now a whole page of florals and fairies and butterflies. Lots of great elements to use. Then we have some really cool pockets and tall cards, journaling cards, labels, more pockets up here, and then even this triple tuck or slide pocket in there as well. Two of those. So you don't have to choose. And then this gorgeous wallpaper on the reverse side has all kinds of, again, great elements from fairies to bunnies. I love the little raccoons, the ladybugs. We have deer, mushroom houses for the fairies, even a hedgehog. Love this little guy holding a flower. And then some great sentiments as well. And then some vintage little bits as well. So you'll see some of this used um, in what I'm going to show you. So that is the 12 by 12. The 6 by 6 is also available. It is 32 single-sided pages. So you don't have to choose between front and back. You're going to have fronts, and then of course you're getting multiples of each. So you have plenty of paper there. Now, I'm going to get to this in the end because I want to show you that's a brand new thing. We also have two different options now. We have the creative cuts, which are all of the awesome pre-die cut ephemera bits. You have tons in the pack. Just look how many. I mean, you got fairies and again, beautiful sentiments, all laser cut. They are just fantastic. So if you can cut these out and use those as well as the freebies, or you can also get the ephemera pack. Of course, I chose to get both because I need all the ephemera I can get. And then of course you have now the vellum creative cuts, which are so awesome. Love the vellum. Look at those. Like a cool frosted look to them. Oh, let me see if this will focus. 1 second. There we go. So you have all these other great vellum elements as well. Now, here's something totally adorable and cute. These are the embellishment doilies. You get a whole pack of them. I can't remember how many pieces, but there are quite, 50. There we go. 50 of them. They are 2.5 inches in diameter. So you can either have them all in this awesome off-white color, or you could choose the pastels. Super awesome. Great for adding to your pages and tags and all your other creations. Now, along with that, we also have some really cool dies that we have brought in. This one is called Layer Script Die. And yes, it actually does a layer script. And wouldn't that be great for adding dimension? Not to mention just awesome text, whether it's your compositions, your layouts, your canvases, your mixed media, whatever it is that you're working on. Awesome to have an actual text die. We also have this beautiful slim lace and flourish die. So you get the beautiful, oh, look at that. I mean, that is just gorgeous frame. And then you get the little flourishes too. And they're not little. I shouldn't say little. I don't know if I have measurements, but I'll give them to you. About a little bit short of 3.5 by 8.25, perhaps, just about. So beautiful large size die set. Of course, you can use your frames and cut them and just resize them to anything you want by putting your little, if you cut here, you simply bring this up and match up the little openings to the little eyelet pieces. And then we have the slimline scallop die. The awesomeness about this is this cuts this right here. See this right here? That is your die for it. And they're 12 by 12s, usually like their die, like their tall die that cuts the tags will fit this. This will fit this. And I know sometimes these are kind of straight cuts, so we're okay. But these can be a little bit troublesome for some folks to get them even. So now we have an actual die that will cut those for us from all of the 12 by 12s collections that have that scallop page. So super awesome idea from the folks at Uniquely Creative. And then I wanted to show you this and this because I have a really cool project coming up for us. We're going to make this together in the Academy. So again, if you're not part of the Academy, I will put a link down below and maybe at the end as well, so you guys can go watch that video. It's a short little video and it tells you the information that you need about the Academy. But it's, yes, we're going to be making this together. So this awesome die cuts out a pop-up box card maker. So you get this awesome little pop-up box that folds flat. I'm going to show it to you in a second to ship, but then you get to fill the box with all kinds of elements. So every paper line that they release that comes with bits of ephemera, or if you want to get the ephemera pack, you'll be able to create those boxes, plus anything else that's in your stash, of course. I will show you, actually here, let me show you an example. I haven't finished it fully. Well, it's kind of almost finished, but here is an example of what we're going to be making. We're going to be making this super cool dimensional box, which again will fold fully flat for mailing, okay? But in this case, I haven't finished attaching the mechanism. I was venturing on some fairy lights, the fairy lights that we have in store or in stock. Give me 2 seconds. I'm trying to hold this. And I decided to add, I don't know if you guys can see it. Well, I hope you can. Can you see that? It's kind of hard to see, but we have little fairy lights also in there, and I thought those were so stinking cute. Now again, I have to finish attaching my mechanism to the back, so I just kind of wanted to show you an idea of how you can add lights to it as well, and they will still fold flat for shipping. So we're going to be making this awesome little pop-up box, and then let me scooch this over to the side that way. Okay, and then in addition to that, scooch, scooch, we've got this. This is now the new Slimline Fold Out album. And if you notice, it kind of comes already with the paper. So you don't even have to worry about the mats, let's put it that way, about covering it up, because it comes with the paper already and the score lines done. So when you open it, it opens up this way. And then it opens up again, but wait, there's more. And then it opens up again. So you have this awesome double-sided, already covered or decorated paper, awesome slimline fold-out album. Now, let me show you what we're going to be making. We're going to be making this using that album and this paper line. It's got a magnetic closure. Again, see, it's kind of already been decorated, but we're going to have fun not doing the construction, not doing the measuring, not doing the scoring, not covering with paper, but rather just decorating it, which is awesome. So we're going to use all of the bits, as you can see, that are included here and here to decorate this beauty, plus the ephemera as well. So if you like fussy cutting, by all means fussy cut that, but if you want to get the ephemera as well, then we can do so much more. And then this is going to open here, revealing two very generous pockets on either side. And the fairies are handing off the little lantern. And then we've got our squirrel friend. You can see the gorgeous doilies that we had just talked about are being used here as well. So great to incorporate into your creations. Then that is going to open up this way, revealing even more magnetic pockets and tuck spots, as well as pockets on the other side. Here in the center, we're going to have some fun flips and other pockets as well, fully decorated with our gorgeous little butterfly friends that we can fold out the little wings. And then it opens up again, revealing even more pockets, oops, revealing even more pockets, more journaling spots, as well as photo mats. And then on this side, we've even got an additional fold away magnetic pocket. So awesome and fun, super easy to make. Because we've got all the wonderful materials to create it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed looking at this new line. Again, it is the Serenity line from Uniquely Creative. Before we go though, hang on, I want to show you something else because there's some other stuff that came in too. Oh, and I hope you guys are ready to make these projects along with me. But I want to share you, let me just clear off a little bit and show you some other stuff that is new that I'm super excited about. This is new in our store. So if you watched the last video that I did on Uniquely Creative, I shared with you guys the awesome album, the folio. Well, guess what? We've got the extra page protector for the album. So you've got your inserts too now in store. They come in a pack of 3. So, and these are 8 by 10. So those are in stock now. But I wanted to show you this. Love this idea. So whenever I create albums, excuse me, I do mats. I do the white mats just because it's just a great way to remember, okay, we're going to insert a photo here. Again, it's going to go underneath my wing, or maybe we're going to insert photos here, etc. Right? Well, what a great idea to actually have photo mats already done for you. There are multiple options available. You have the 5 by 7 photo mats already done, and it says place photo here. So all you do is you grab them and you put them in your album, and it looks so professional, so clean. Honestly, if you want to gift an album or if you want to sell an album, this is going to take it over the top. It's going to look so clean and professional. We also have the 6 by 4 or 4 by 6. We have the 3 by 4 packs as well. And you've got the 2 by 3 packs as well. So again, great way to just simply take those little cards and the photo mats and place them throughout your albums. There's also a mix pack. So this one comes with all the sizes, okay? So again, many great new options for your photo mats as well. No more having to stamp or having to misstamp or just add plain pieces of white paper. Now you can actually make your albums look that much more professional and beautiful. Okay, so that is what is new this week from Uniquely Creative. I can't wait to craft along with you guys and recreate these great projects with you. And of course, be sure to check out, I buried the logo, be sure to check out the online store, not only for these products, but thousands of more amazing products from Uniquely Creative and tons of other manufacturers and brands from around the world. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll leave another video here at the end. And as I mentioned, I'll probably pop the the Academy information, in case you are not an Academy member, you can join us there, because for a flat monthly fee, you can get access not only to these live classes, but also watch them on demand on replay anytime you want, plus tons of other additional classes that will walk you through creating albums, mixed media, techniques, and so much more, all from the comfort of home with one flat monthly fee. Okay, I'll see you there.